Welcome, my dear students. Today's subject is Maths. In Maths, we are going to learn chapter number 13, Division. So let's practice some division sums. First one, 36 divided by 9. So first, we will arrange the number and we will start. We will start saying 9 table till we get number 36. So 9 fours are 36. After writing 36, let's do subtraction. We will start from units place. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now let us write down divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. So divisor is 9, dividend is 36, quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Now let's see our next sum. 42 divided by 7. Let's start solving. We will arrange the numbers and we'll start seeing 7 table till we get the answer 42. So 7 6 are 42. We'll start subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is also 0. So divisor is 7. Dividend is 42. Quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Third one, 64 divided by 8. So let's arrange the number and start saying 8 table till we get the number 64. So 8 8s are 64. Start subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Let's see, divisor is 8. Dividend 64. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. Next one, 54 divided by 6. Arrange the numbers and we will start saying 6 table till we get answer 54. So 6 9s are 54. Subtraction, we'll start from units place. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now start with divisor is 6. Dividend 54, quotient 9 and remainder is 0. Next sum, 58 divided by 8. So we will arrange the numbers and we will start saying 8 table till we get number 58. But do we have 58 in 8 table? No. So what we are going to do? We are going to say the table till we get nearby and smaller number than 58. So 8 sevens are 56. Start subtraction starting from units place. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. So divisor is 8. Dividend is 58. Quotient is 7 and remainder is 2. Moving on to the next one. 49 divided by 6. Arrange the numbers and we will start saying 6 table. But do we have number 49 in 6 table? No. So what we are going to do? We are going to say the table and find out the number smaller and nearby to 49. So 6 8s are 48. Start subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So divisor is 6. Dividend is 49. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. Next one, 47 divided by 5. 47 in the column divide by 5. We will start saying 5 table till we get number 45. But we don't have number 47 in 5 table. So we will find out the number smaller than and nearby to 47. So 5 9s are 45. Start subtraction starting from units place. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, divisor is 5. Dividend 47, quotient 9 and remainder is 2. Next one, 29 divided by 7. Arrange the numbers properly in proper place and start saying 7 table. We don't have 29 in 7 table, so we will take smaller and nearby number. We'll start saying 7 table. So 7 4s are 28. Subtraction 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So now let us write down divisor. Divisor is 7. Dividend is 29. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. Now let's see some word problems. First one, if 12 flowers are shared by 4 children equally, how many will each get? So let's start with given. Number of flowers is 12. Number of children is 4. Which method we are going to use? Division. Arrange the numbers. We'll start saying 3 table. 3 4s are 12. Subtraction 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, therefore, each one will get 3 flowers. Let's see next one. If 15 laddus were shared among 5 children, how many does each one get? So let's start with given. What is given to us? Number of laddus, how much? 15. Number of children, 5. Method we are going to use is division. So let's arrange the number and start saying 5 table. So 5 3s are 15. Subtraction starting from units place. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So lastly statement. Therefore, each one will get 3 laddus. Next one. 22 rupees is to be distributed equally among 5 people. How much money will each one get? So let us see solution starting with given. Given. Total amount rupees 22. Number of people 5. Method we are going to use division. Draw the columns, arrange the numbers. We will start saying 5 table till we get answer 22. But I think so. We don't have number 22 in 5 table. So we will find out nearby and smaller number than 22. So 5 4s are 20. Let's start subtraction starting from units place. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So lastly statement. Therefore, each one will get rupees 4 and rupees 2 is remainder. Let's see next one. Make word problems of division from given numbers. Numbers are given to us and we have to frame a question for division. So let's see. First one, 72 and 8. Now by using these two numbers we have to frame a question. We can take any example. See here I have took here example of laddus. 72 laddus were shared among 8 students. Find how many laddus will each one get. You can take any example of anything and you can frame a question. Okay. Next one. See, next numbers are 21 and 3. 21 students were asked to stand in rows. How many students stood in each row if there were only 3 rows made? Now let's see what next. Make word problem and solve. Now previously we have just framed a question. Now they will give us number. We have to frame a question and we have to solve. Let's see first one, 36 and 6. So first we will frame a question. One carton can hold 6 tiles. A certain room needs 36 tiles for the floor. How many cartons of tiles will be needed? We have framed the question. Now let's start solving. So first we will write given. What is given to us? Tiles in one carton is 6. Number of tiles for floor is 36. Method, we are going to use division. Now let's arrange the number and we will start saying 6 table till we get the answer 36. So 6 6 are 36. Subtraction starting from units place. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now statement, therefore 6 cartons will be needed. Divisor is 6. Dividend is 36. Question again 6 and remainder is 0. Now let's see next one. So the numbers given are 42 and 6. First we have to frame a question. So the question is, there were 42 books to be distributed equally among 6 students. How many books will each one get? So now let's see solution. So solution will start with given. What information is given to us? Number of books 42, number of students 6. Next one is method. Which method we are going to use? Division. Now let's start with sum. Draw the columns, arrange the numbers. We will start saying 6 table till we get the number 42. So 6 sevens are 42. Start subtraction starting from units place. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Lastly, statement. Therefore, each student will get 7 books. So now let us find out divisor, dividend, question and remainder. So in the given sum, divisor is 6, dividend is 42, question is 7 and remainder is 0. I hope so, my dear students, you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.